sing it. Hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be alright.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing my first fall look. Hopefully I will have some Halloween looks coming out soon. I'm going to get this video up as soon as possible, but today I am just doing an eye tutorial and that is it. It's gonna be super simple, and yeah, I still have my room all falled out, as you can see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's get started.
So first I went in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I went in with the third shade in the palette, and I applied this in my crease as a super nice transition shade. Then I went in with these two medium-ish brown shades, and I put those slightly lower than the transition just for a deeper, warmer look. Then I went in with these two reddish brown burgundy shades, and I put those on with a small fluffy brush lower into the crease. And then I went in with this super burgundy shade and a flat top brush, and I applied this all over the lid, and then afterwards I blended it up into the crease. And next I applied a thin thing of eyeliner so my lashes would blend well. And then for lashes, I used the lashes in Kiss Corset, and then I used those two medium brown shades on the lower lash line and the shade Beam in my inner corner for a super bright highlight. For lips, I went in with an Anastasia liquid lipstick and a Rimmel lip liner in, I think, Tiramisu. Then I went in with a Maybelline lip lacquer in the shade Tease, and that is everything for this look.
Okay, loves, so this is the final fall look. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was super easy and simple and like an everyday fall glam. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you all so much. Any fall makeup or Halloween recommendations, put down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies.